And if you are seriously thinking about starting a YouTube channel, this is the video that would inspire you and spur you that if I can do it with my daughter, my sister, my brother, you don't have any excuse whatsoever to start your own YouTube channel, especially if you are living in Nigeria. You guys, we just hit 500,000. Oh my oh my god, I just said I wanted to say 500,000, but thinking about it, it's called manifestation, right? We hit 500 subscribers the other day, and all I can tell you is that I wish I had started YouTube way earlier than I did. And I'm here to tell you guys how YouTube has completely changed my life with just 500 subscribers. And I hope this video will be a source of inspiration to you to actually start your own YouTube channel with no excuses. I started this year not knowing that I'm gonna start this YouTube channel. I never planned this in any way that, okay, when we get to 2024, I will start my own YouTube channel. It wasn't even in the plans. I had quit my high-paying job in December of 2023. I'll make a video about all of that. It's quite the story. For over 2 years, I have been discarding starting my own YouTube channel, and I have always had my friends tell me, oh Amaka, you have to start your own fitness channel, your cooking channel, my own lifestyle blog, my own fashion blog. With all of this, I never had that extra push to start my own YouTube channel. But all I had always known was that I have a flair for public speaking. I love to speak to people. I love advising people on areas that I know. So I have always had that inspiration, basically to become a public speaker. But have you ever met a public speaker that has a stutter? Yes, you have. You've met me. Hello. I thought that if I'm going to start my own career in public speaking, I have to improve on my speech. I have to improve on my stutter. And that was when I had the idea to start reading out loud. So I would literally record myself reading out loud, and while I was doing that, I still went and enrolled in a speech pathology program. You guys, we meant business. We must begin this public speaking journey. Just know that when all this were going on, YouTube hadn't even come into my head. I just wanted to improve on my speech. I just wanted to improve on my stutter. So I thought to myself, why would I go through all this stress and nobody would see my progress? And it was then that I created my own YouTube channel. But before I created the channel, I first created the awareness on Instagram in order to hold myself accountable. Hello everyone. I know that I haven't spoken on my page before, but I would like to state that I will be beginning my public speaking journey to becoming a professional public speaker. I would also be talking explicitly about my struggles as someone living with a stutter. I mean, I know this is the very last thing I would want to talk about because I have been hiding it for the longest of time. It's actually made me quite uncomfortable, and that was how I started my YouTube channel. I would actually say that there is nothing good in this life that doesn't come with its own challenges. So yes, it wasn't easy, but it was actually worth it. Okay guys, the first and the most important way YouTube has completely changed my life is that starting a YouTube channel has enabled me to actually love what I do. See, I have been somebody who always believed in having a 9-to-5 or a corporate job, and I never for once thought I was gonna be doing this, having lights, having camera, learning how to edit videos, learning how to add all this light and effect to a video. If someone had told me this 2 years ago, I would never have agreed to that. But this is something I enjoy doing. I don't have any regrets doing it at all. The second way YouTube has completely changed my life is that it has allowed me to be focused. Anything that I don't have any interest in, I quickly lose focus on it. Having this YouTube channel has made me to narrow down on my focus at a time, what I need to do, what topic I need to discuss, how to make research on the topic to even improve on my already existing knowledge on the subject. It has really made me to focus more on what is important, which has now enabled me to be calm. Nowadays, people tell me, Amaka, you look so calm. And I'm like, yes, because I'm doing what I love. Which leads us to the third way YouTube has completely changed my life with 500 subscribers. And that is having people who actually appreciate my work. Whenever I upload a video, I am always pensive. I hope people would love this video. I hope I did a great job. And then when I see the way people actually respond to my videos with their lovely comments, even people I don't know, I'm like, wow, these people are encouraging me to do so much more. So it has changed my life to know that, wow, people actually resonate so well with what I do. Another way YouTube has completely changed my life is that I get the opportunity to invest in myself. There is nothing as fulfilling as you investing your time, your energy, your effort, and your money into yourself. Guys, 98% of people spend 8 hours a day building someone else's dreams. Nobody else would do the work for us if we don't do it by ourselves. So YouTube has helped me to channel all my energy to focusing on myself in such a way that whenever I come up with a topic to talk about on my channel, I do extensive research on it, not just because I want to create a new video. It's also because I want to improve on my pre-existing knowledge, or to even improve on a subject or a topic that I didn't know existed. So either way, it is still all for the benefit of you, to improve your mental state, to even improve how you speak with people. So you are doing this to build up yourself. Who again is a high value woman? One of the qualities of a high value woman is that she knows bits and pieces of a whole lot of subjects, so that when she's in the midst of other high value people, she would definitely not be left out. So investing in yourself is a no-brainer when it comes to YouTube channel, and in the long run it will help you to become an amazing speaker, which leads us to the final way YouTube has changed my life since I started, and that is preparing me to becoming an internationally renowned public speaker. In my manifestation journal, I envision myself speaking at the United Nations and also speaking at TED and a whole lot of international platforms. And this YouTube channel is basically preparing me for my future. The Bible tells us that we should write the vision and make it plain, and it is okay to tell everyone what you want to do so that they will subconsciously hold you accountable, and you would be like, I cannot disappoint these people, I cannot disappoint myself. I would like to tell you that I know you want to start your YouTube channel. I know you've been wanting to start your YouTube channel and something has been holding you back. And guess who is holding you back? You are the one holding yourself back. See, I know that what is going on in your head is, what are people going to say? How would they perceive that I now have a YouTube channel? But I want to tell you now that nobody cares. Nobody cares about your video. Nobody cares if you have 100 videos on your YouTube channel. And I can tell you that it's even strangers that will subscribe to your channel, people you don't know, you've never talked with before, that will be your community, not even your friends. But all I can say is I appreciate everybody who has been supporting me in my journey, sharing my videos. I appreciate all my subscribers. This has been a very tough journey. As somebody who has a stutter, it's usually hard for me to talk at a stretch. I'm coming out of my comfort zone to do this, and if I can do this with my speech limitation, you don't have any excuse. Start with what you have, start with where you are, and over time you appreciate the work you've done for yourself. You'll be so proud of yourself. If you've watched to this part of the video, please write in the comments section, I have no excuse. And if you start, please tag me on your page, tag me on your videos. I will subscribe to your channel. I will write my comments. Everyone needs to start their own YouTube channel. All right, so I am rooting for you. I will see you in my next video.